Hey crafty friends, I am about to show you how I use the metallics. I've got a couple of hints on making the metallics look really great. The first thing is I use oysterart. I love the way that these metallics stay on, how they go on. You know, they just, look at it. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see. Whoops, let me get it in the camera. That would help. Anyhow, this is my scallop shell. I did obviously clean it. We had scallops the other night. Cleaned it and I primed it. So you'll see there's a flat color. I use Wise Owl white primer myself. There's plenty of primers out there. But I sell it on my website, so I only sell what I use because I love it. All right, so I'm going to get a bunch into my brush, and I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to brush straight down in one direction. Whenever you are putting metallics on, you only want to go in one direction so that you get the sheen properly distributed. It's like when you're vacuuming, this is the best way I can explain it. When you're vacuuming a carpet and then you pull it back, one way is one color and back is another color. And that's because of the ply, and this is because of the way the light is hitting it. Same thing with let's see, vacuuming is one thing, grass cutting is another. Same idea though. You know, you can always see those lines in the lawn. But if they went in the same direction, which would probably be close to impossible, they wouldn't have that problem. So I always teach my classes to be sure they go in one and only one direction. Whichever direction that might be. I pick up my brush and I lay it back down. And because this is a scallop shell, I have to do a couple of passes because I want to make sure I get all the grooves properly done. So look, this is only basically one coat, but it's all in the same direction. And you'll see how beautiful that shimmer is. All right, so oysterart for metallics and one direction. That's my best tip for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Next up, I'm going to be putting some napkin art inside of this shell. Thanks for being with me.